This video is about Introduction to Calc. Let's have a brief introduction about Calc. Calc is an electronic spreadsheet type of program. It is included in the package from OpenOffice suite. Calc is a package that is used for fast and accurate calculations as well as formatting of data in a document. It is also used to arrange data in an attractive manner, which is called formatting. Calc is used for managing financial and accounting documents. It is also used to create data reports. We can generate invoices using Calc. We can also analyze data from scientific and statistical researches. It is also used for doing variety of calculations on data. Let's see how we can open Calc from our computer. For that, in the search box beside Office button, click CALC, that is Calc. Now from the available option, click on Calc. Now you can see that Calc window is open on our window. Now let's discuss different parts of Calc program. Here you can see on the top the title bar. Title bar is a place that show you name of current document that is open. Below that there is menu bar. You can see different menus there like file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, data, window and help. Below menu bar there is toolbar. Now below toolbar there is formula and data input bar. We can directly enter data or formula into active cell by typing it here. Then on the left side of formula and data input bar there is address or name field of selected cell. So this field will show address of the active cell. It also show range of cell that is selected. If we have applied any name to a particular cell, then we can see here name of that cell also. Then there are column headers. So different columns are labeled as A, B, C, D, etc. In the middle there is workspace which we use to enter data. There are row headers. Row headers are numbered from 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards. In the bottom part of the screen you can see that sheet tab. There you can see that by default there are 3 worksheets, that is sheet 1, 2 and 3. Below sheet tab there is status bar that is giving more information about your document. On the extreme right of the screen you can see that zoom tool. It is used to zoom in or zoom out the screen. Calc menu bar. Calc menu bar has different options like file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, data, window and help. All these menus again contain different sub commands inside it. Now file menu. File menu contains commands to operate the entire document such as creating a new document, saving a file, printing, print preview, etc. Edit menu. This menu contains commands such as copy, paste, find and replace, etc. View menu. It is used to add or remove elements of the user interface, page break previews, etc. Insert menu. It is used to insert rows, columns, worksheet, elements, objects, etc. Format menu. It is used to format cells, grouping of elements, sorting, conditional formatting, etc. Tools menu. Tools menu gives additional tools such as spell checking, document protection, formulas, error correction, etc. Data menu. It is used for data processing, data sorting, data filter, etc. Window menu. This menu is used for new window, freezing cells, list of OpenOffice.org documents, etc. Help menu. It gives us help about function, information about applications and version of software. Toolbar in Calc program. A toolbar presents the most common commands in form of on-screen tool buttons. Just by clicking the mouse pointer over a button, you can select the utility. You have to put the mouse pointer on it. Immediately it will display name of the corresponding function. Toolbars can be turned off and on as per the need. Toolbar can be turned off and on by selecting Toolbars option from the View menu. Formatting toolbar. The formatting toolbar presents the most frequently used commands for formatting content of a cell. Formatting toolbar allow you to do formatting quickly. The icons in this bar will vary as you use the application. If any icon is not available, you may go to far end of the formatting toolbar and select the option to add an icon. Formula toolbar. Formula toolbar presents facilities for entering and editing formula within a cell. Buttons in toolbar can be modified. User can add buttons to the toolbar, remove them and adjust their sequence. You can add or remove toolbar with the use of View, then go to Toolbars option. In Calc, the cells in horizontal line is called a row. Every worksheet have horizontal row. Every horizontal row has a number. Calc has 1 to 10,48,576 rows. A row is selected by clicking on the corresponding number on the row. In Calc, a vertical column of cell is called a column. Each worksheet has columns. Each column has corresponding letter. We have 26 alphabets and numbers of rows is more. We need to have more combination of alphabets. Calc has 1 to 1024 columns. So it is labeled as A to AMJ. You can select column by clicking cursor over the letters. Cell. A cell is the most basic element of a spreadsheet. A cell is an intersection of corresponding row and column. Data and formulas are entered in a cell. A cell holds individual elements such as text, numbers or formula. Each column in Calc is vertical series of cells. Each worksheet is divided into vertical columns and horizontal rows formatting cells. Cell is identified by its column letter and then row number. You can see the cell address of the active cell, how it is formed. The square box appears here is an indicator of an active cell. There will be a plus mark on bottom right side of the active cell in the actual screen. The corner of the active cell is highlighted with filled small rectangle which is known as an autofill handle. You can select multiple rows, columns or cells by clicking and dragging the cursor over the letters.